Let's talk about opportunity. Real opportunity. The Firestorm Indicators are changing lives. And this is how. They send real-time signals directly to your phone so you can enter a trade instantly, whether you're at home, at the park with your kids, or sitting in your car. These signals are designed for binary options, and you can start generating income in as little as 1-minute trades as a beginner with $50. That's right, 1-minute trades, no complicated charting, no experience required. We teach you everything step by step from the beginner to advanced. Here's how it works. You get a signal like buy now. You open your PO app, you choose a 15-second, 1-minute, or 5-minute trade, and that trade can pay out up to 92% profit. For example, so if I enter a $100 trade, I walk away with $192 in seconds. And I teach you exactly how I do that inside the training, but here's the catch. You have to be willing to learn. Most people want results without responsibility. They want the money, but not the mindset. Learning this skill is like learning how to read or ride a bike. It feels hard at first, but once it clicks, you never look back. This is a life-changing skill that can give you location freedom, financial independence, and a peace of mind you can't buy. So let me ask you honestly, do you have 30 to 60 minutes a day to invest in your freedom? Because if you do, you could transform your income in the next 90 days. The only question is, are you going to stay stuck in the same place, or are you ready to finally make the move, learn, apply, profit, get Firestorm Indicators today?